GVO stands for Global Virtual Opportunities. And it was just brought to my attention. I knew nothing about this particular system. It's actually been around over a year. However, the owner, Joel Tarian, has actually been in the business over 12 years that I'm aware of. But this is basically a very quick little review on what I'm actually experiencing inside of GVO. Like I said, I just been made aware of it, and I'm surprised I hadn't heard of it before, since with all my activity on the internet. But you can't possibly know everything, no matter who you are. But this is all for less than 10 bucks a month. That's what I'm scratching my head at, and how can they make money from it with what they give you. I mean, you get to host 4 different domains here. If you upgrade to the titanium package, unlimited, you get a very great autoresponder, just like Aweber, Get Response, Eye Contact. I mean, this is not no run-of-the-mill rinky-dink stuff on the inside here. This easy video producer that they have. You can actually produce videos such as this. They are very professional. That's one great thing. You can build blogs here. They do use WordPress, so you can install WordPress blogs inside the back office. And WordPress, as you know, is a gift from the gods. That's just an unbelievable product in itself. You get GVO Conference. Now, GVO Conference is, if you've ever heard of GoToMeeting, you have your own GoToMeeting system inside the back. This is all for less than $10 a month, mind you. What else you get? You get your prospecting system. You also get GVO Academy, where they have top internet marketers who actually are internet marketing consistently on a daily basis and in the trenches and making tons of money as instructors that are teaching you basically what they know. So if you don't know how to use all these different products that you're getting for less than 10 bucks a month, I mean, my Aweber account cost me more than that, twice as much as what you're getting for 10 bucks, less than 10 bucks here. So right now you're getting a ton of value, and you also can make money from this product just by referring people to it. So if you're opposed to network marketing or MLM, just by default and referring people to this system, you'll be making money. So you don't actually have to actively promote it if you don't want to. Just refer people to this great product. And again, I'm just in the back office navigating around trying to find myself, find more things and what's all involved with this package and what you get. And so far, they're just over delivering for less than 10 bucks. So you can try it out for $1 for 7 days, and after that, now it's 10 bucks a month. If you want to upgrade to the titanium package, it's going to be a little bit more, but it'll be well worth it because you're going to get unlimited everything. And that's just my take on it. So I'll leave a link at the bottom here if you're interested. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll find the benefit as I did. Have a great day.